Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. If you have not yet had an opportunity to listen to episode 657, which addressed the defense's filing of a motion to continue the trial, please do so. It directly relates to the two filings that we are addressing in this episode. The first of which was filed by the defense on May 20th, 2025. It is entitled Motion for Leave to Exceed Page Limit. What is leave? Leave is for permission. Motion, we know, is an application or a request for a court order for whatever it is that is being asked for here. The defense is specifically asking the court for leave, i.e. permission, to allow the defense to exceed the page limit for their motion to continue the trial and their ex parte supplement to the motion to continue. The defense says this motion is made pursuant to Rule 8.2 of the order amending Local Rules of the 4th Judicial District dated March 17th, 2021, and this is signed Ann C. Taylor on behalf of the defense. This local rule governs the page number of certain filings, and it puts a limit on them. So here we see the defense is asking for leave, asking for permission from the court to file an oversized document. The motion to continue contains 40 pages, and it cites various grounds to continue to postpone the trial date, which is currently scheduled to commence August 11th, 2025, following voir dire, which is currently set to commence on July 30th, 2025. The second item that we're addressing in this episode is the court's May 21st, 2025, that is the date of filing, order granting the defense's leave to exceed page limit. It states here the court, that is Judge Stephen J. Hippler, ladies and gentlemen, having before it the defendant's motion for leave to exceed page limit and good cause appearing, now therefore it is hereby ordered in capital letters the defendant's motion to continue and their ex parte supplement to the motion to continue may exceed the page limit. Signed, Stephen J. Hippler, District Judge. Judge Hippler is also the administrative judge for the 4th Judicial District. And he undoubtedly played a role in developing these administrative rules. Now, it should be noted that the court has not granted this motion to continue the trial. The relief that the court has granted is that the page limit for the motion to continue may exceed the number of pages prescribed by the local rule. So what will happen now? We anticipate that the second step of the briefings will occur. The briefings, any matter, a motion to compel discovery, a motion to suppress evidence, a motion for a Franks hearing, here a motion to continue the trial. This is the first in a series of briefings before a hearing happens. The motion has been filed by the moving party, the defense. We are awaiting now a response from the state of Idaho. It will likely be in opposition to changing the trial date. And then the defense will have the third and final document filing in the sequence, the reply. The reply is constricted to replying to the response, having one final opportunity to persuade Judge Hippler in writing that the trial should be continued for the reasons stated in the motion and whatever will be stated in the future reply. We are awaiting these two additional filings and then a hearing on the matter in the future. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone. Thank you for joining us here today.